Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today on Monday. Yes, new week, Monday, the 10th. Yes, January the 10th, 2022. We have here one regular Sudoku, and it's medium Sudoku. Then, in this daily newspaper, we have an additional with 6 extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So 6 extra puzzles today. And of course the regular Sudoku. So first I will solve the regular Sudoku, then later on I will solve half of the additional. I won't do 6 puzzles, but half of them, 3 puzzles, I will solve. But first, this one, Sudoku Medium, number 3956. Yeah, 3956. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Yeah. A lot of 6s and 1s. How about a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column? So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, there are only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6. How about the 1 then? 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. No, I cannot continue with the 1. Alright. Then, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Okay. Then 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking. How about? Come on. 7. Yeah. 5. Yes. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. Here also a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 5. Yeah. The 1. Sorry, the 1 in the 3rd row, the 1 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. No. How about 3, 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. 9, 1, 5, 6, 9, 9. Yeah. Come on. Think. How about 5? We have a pair. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be in these 2 boxes. Together with the 5, we have a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and 5. That means 2 numbers left now in this column. For the numbers, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, so the 4 should be here. 4. Alright. 8. Yeah. 8. Thinking. 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 1st column, 7 in the 2nd column. So the 3rd column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright, now I can continue with the 6. 6 in this row, 1st row, 6 in the 2nd row. So the 3rd row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Still, I cannot continue with the 1. Well, I know here we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 1 in the 1st column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, or there. We see there another 1 in this row, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in the 1st column, 1 in the one of those 2 boxes in the 2nd column. So the 3rd column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. Here also 1, the 2, the 3, and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 5, 2, 3, and 8. 2, 3, and 8. Here we have 8. Okay. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 3. Shoot there. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 8. That means 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here in this big square. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in that box. Here 4 in this row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay, then 4, 4. I cannot continue with the 4. 2, 3, 9. Okay. 9, 9, 2. I'm missing the 2 and the 8. Yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So no row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2, 9, 4, 4. The 7, how about the 5? 5, 5, 5. No, still can. Oh, now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Overlooked. And this box should be an 8. Okay, now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 1. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 2. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Alright. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Do we have all the 1s? And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. Okay. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers. No. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the third column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 2. Alright, 1 number left in the second row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row to the third row. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2-star Sudoku. Medium Sudoku, yes, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.